Good morning, everybody at the track. Private day today.
Yeah.
A little unload the cars. We're just getting ready to shred.
We got everyone's cars up.
Yep.
But Evan's car on the way here did a little pull. The diff slid out of the subframe, so he's got to fix that right now.
And my car is hitting only 10 psi, but it's still ripping. But I don't know. I don't know.
See if it'll drift on that.
We'll try. Yeah. I want to see if the Mac valve will turn on.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, with the computer.
So
we're just getting ready right now.
Yeah.
Evan has a loose diff.
Yeah, FC problem.
One too many clutch kicks.
Yeah.
So he ripped it on the way here and figured out it came loose again, which is kind of better than going on the track and doing it.
Yeah, it broke in Halifax, and then I fixed it 2 days ago, and I thought it was good, and then it did it again this morning. So we're gonna ratchet strap it in here
And bolt the diff back, or bolt the subframe back up.
Yeah, pretend like everything's okay.
Yeah. Hey, those ratchet straps are good for 1,667 pounds, so.
Not enough. Yeah, we'll see. It should be good.
Yeah.
I should be on the track soon.
Alrighty. These guys over here, changing tires, getting ready. All the cars looking shiny.
All right, going out. Second session. Didn't film anything in the first, just trying to get comfortable. And I kind of wish I did because I spun out and smacked the tire wall. It's got a little dent. Not a dent. A little scuff on the bumper, but I'll show you guys that after this run. But yeah, second session. They're kind of spaced out, so it's maybe a little tricky to get in the groove, but overall, it's good. We're running the old layout here at Cambridge, and I've actually never ran it, and it is like crazy fun. We got Randy from Illiminate.
How's it going, everybody?
About to take the car out.
Dude, I feel at home here. You sure?
I'm sure. Yeah.
Let's do it. I'll take good care of it. I'll try my best.
Yeah.
I've been practicing a little bit.
A little bit. Uh-oh.
Just a little bit.
All right, we're gonna get on track. Oh, I gotta warm it up a little.
A little bit up.
Yeah, so just drive around a little bit and hold it up.
Just hold it up.
Yeah, hold it up. That should be warm now.
Should be good.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking torquey.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Alright, let me get a feel for it real quick.
Yeah. And work on throttle commitment here, right? Yeah. Yeah. To the left. Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah.
You gotta be a little aggressive with it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's feeling it out. Figure it out. Yeah. That's sick. Yo! Good job! You're getting it!
Oh, thank you. I've been practicing on a Assetto Corsa, you know?
How was it?
And it feels exactly like my car.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's great. Honestly, it's way more responsive though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's way more responsive. I love it.
All right.
Damn, car looks good.
Yeah, well, let's show them what happened at the track. So it didn't get the track day didn't get cut short, but we're gonna do maybe one more session of tandems, and
And I was wondering
his
why.
car.
I was wondering why my car was
Overheating.
getting hot, and it wasn't cooling down. So
Pop the hood. So what?
this is what happened. So pretty much I had a fuse tap in for my fans, which is
Oh
probably
my
not a
god, I
good
never
idea.
seen that.
Yeah, so this went into the fuse box, and then 2 fuses came off of this, and then 2 wires, so I could get a power off of it and activate my fans.
Oh, where's the top? Where's the lid?
Oh, it's in
Get the lid. So basically,
Just to get it home.
basically you get it home, we just stuck the wires in to give them power. But that's the fuse lid.
So this fuse right here, it was right here.
It melted.
It melted it.
We don't even know what it is.
Yeah. I think
But-
it was just a blank spot
Yeah,
that we just
so
had to get power off.
We need to hook a relay up to
I
it.
hook a relay and run a power wire. This is just stupid, but Spencer always said, he goes, it's kind of sketchy. You probably wire a relay, but
It'll
we
work.
never did.
Yeah. So a
And this
relay
happened,
is
so
needed.
Yeah.
But it didn't catch on fire. It just melted.
Thank God.
And
yeah, it was a great day.
that's
good
it. But it was fun.
tried the Velinos out.
It was really
Velinos
fun,
are
man.
actually super
Busy
gripped
day.
up.
Yeah, the Velinos, the Grivas. You took them off, right?
Yeah.
I still got them on my car. Yeah, they're
They lasted good too. Like we didn't kill them. But
they're grippy.
we'll probably flip mine and they'll be mint. But yeah, that was a good day.
Good day, busy
Hung out with
weekend.
Illiminate.
Yeah, seriously. Bunch
Pretty
of good guys
sweet
out from the
dude.
West Coast.
Yeah. Maybe go see them one day.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
We showed them what's up here for Canada.
That's for sure.
But
They were
anyways, that's it for now.
Yeah.
We'll
see you next time.
see you next time.